So this is the problem. If you had a leaky roof and you have ceiling tiles or drywall ceiling, whatever, there is a stain. And that stain keep coming back. No matter how many times you paint it, it's gonna keep coming back. And especially if there's wood above it, it's gonna come right through the paint. You prime it, paint it, it comes back. So that's how it works. So there is a way to stop it. I'll show you. This is the item to use. It's called cover up. As it's showing, it sprays up. So this has to be sprayed. Shake it thoroughly and then sprayed. And the thing is, it sprays straight up. So right through that hole, it goes upward. So it cannot be sprayed upside down. It has to be held up or a little bit sideward. And the way to press it is sideward. So press on the side of it, not at the top of it. Side of it, press outward, and it will come straight up. So shake well and then spray. I'll show in a second. So once the cover up is applied and it's dry, then you can paint on it or prime it, paint on it. The instructions are about same. You can buy it from Home Depot. And the wood, if you are painting on wood, like wood has some knots, right? And the knots will also have this similar type of patches in it, and it comes back because there's some sap that's leaking on it, right? Leaks, right? So you can use the cover up for that too. Well, its cover up is a brand. You don't have to use this cover up. I mean, it's a stain sealing. It's called stain sealing. It's to conceal the stain. You can use that, any brand. So now shake it thoroughly, and then, as I said, it's sideward press. It's very satisfying. The best thing is it's gonna stay. And there's water. Make sure that of course the ceiling has been fixed, roof has been fixed. No more water leakage, right? Before you do this. So no more leakage. Now enter inside patch, like even if there's no mark like this spot, have to spray there. At least a little bit so that the paint will hold right. And for the wood part, you can also do a little bit. So that's it. It's entirely covered, and once it's dry, then you can paint it whatever color. And I'll also show how to fix these ceiling tiles. The tiles are kind of sagging a little bit. I'll show how to fix properly. Check other videos and on how to do this. Okay, so hope this helps. It's all covered, and the best thing is it's not gonna come back. Before it's been painted many times and it comes back as if it never been painted. But now it's not gonna come back. So there's a paint sealing to conceal the stains. Stain sealing. Okay, so hope this helps. Please share and subscribe.